episode of Watercolor with me. So I like landscapes. It's just because it's like, I can do it very quickly. And again, most of the watercolors I do are under an hour maximum. But most of the paintings I pick, they're very simple, 15-20 minutes kind of sketch. Okay, very little drawing is needed. You can quickly pick something. Again, I'm using a quarter sheet and a little bit of masking tape. And again, these are demos kind of sketches, so that you understand how to attempt a subject, right? So very simple. And then also when I'm recording it, I try to do landscape mode mainly, so that it does fit in the video better than doing a portrait mode. So I generally run my fingers, run my nails, and that's about it. So in terms of drawing, so I'm going to do maybe here. Okay, that's my horizon. There's trees, and then there's the shadows. The shadow is the highlight. I don't want to draw the shadows. I'm just going to wing it. And there is a path, then there's trees, and that's it. So it's not a complicated drawing. So in terms of thinking about what needs to be done, so I'm going to use a little more yellow. It has a little bit of green, Indian yellow with the green. Very quick to get to the drawing, and a little yellow ochre. Some brown earth, whatever we can call this. Burnt sienna, a little bit of white. I'm going to mix in a little more yellow ochre. The wash is very quick. Basically, we're just putting in some colors. Okay, nothing complicated. So where we stand right now, I need some tissue. I can't find some tissue. Oh, it's right here. Okay, so that's the path. I'm going to just pick up a little more light, add a little more light by just gently picking up some colors. Okay. It still has a soft edge, and you can pick up some colors. Okay, so far so good. That's my step one. Again, this is less than 10-15 minutes is what I'm trying to do. Okay, so switching my brush, picking up another brush. Let's add some green, some yellow. There's some gray as well. So plenty of water, very loose. So that's the base. More colors. Some nice bright colors. I'm going to add some more shadows. Okay, while that is drying, I'm going to pick some bluish shadows. I'm going to add a little bit of blue. and come over here, add a couple of tree trunks. Tree trunks, maybe one here. Okay, and there's one slightly bigger without it here. Okay, and the shadow, the bigger shadow, I'm coming in. So shadows. I'm sorry, I'm not able to talk. I'm just adding more and more shadows. Noah, can you close the door, please? I'm recording a video. Thank you. So covering it, more shadows. A little more. Very quick flow. So I keep continuing. That's some shadows. And now we can come back and then add some more shadows to the tree itself. It's all about balancing the colors at the moment. Some shadows here and there. Some more colors, just a little more variation. Maybe there's a couple of people walking. Some shadows to the trees. And keep developing the depth in the painting. Use some colors. So, just checking, squinting my eyes, checking if it's what it's supposed to look like. I'm going to come in, add some smaller branches in the backdrop. And maybe a couple of shadows, highlights. Okay, that's about it. So as I said, it's like, we are trying to do is like quickly capture the mood. I will add a couple more flutters. just to capture some more foliage. Create some textures. Some shadows. Yes, honey. What is it? All right, I'm still recording, honey. Please come on. No. Okay. So I'm just squinting my eyes, and then while it's still wet, the surface is still mixing. The painting is still sort of live while we're doing it. I will quickly just dry a little bit so that I can add a name, and then we'll peel the painting. I won't dry the whole thing. Signature. This is under 10 minutes, so very quick. Sorry, it's under 15 minutes. It's a very quick demo just to show how we're capturing a little bit of the light and some vegetation. Maybe think about this as a short video how to paint a quarter sheet. Thank you again, and check out my Wet on Wet podcast. Click like and subscribe. Till next time, thanks and bye.